Hello everybody and welcome to this live stream. Today here I am. I am going to be playing the Tower of Hanoi today. So I'll also be teaching you guys how to do it. Because it is pretty simple. And it is actually kind of just like for doing the larger ones. It is kind of just doing the little ones over and over again. So anyways, let's just get right into this. So make sure the live stream is going. Yeah, we are. Okay. So, first off, here's some the rules. Move all the rings to the rightmost rod. Click to take a ring. Click again to put a ring down, I'm guessing. In rules, you can only take one ring at a time, and a ring cannot be put on a smaller ring. So, it's basically just the only rules. And yeah, so, I'll see you start easy. And yeah, so, there we go. So, we just click that, and boom. Done. We're done. So, that is perfect. So when it says perfect, that means I've done it correctly and I've won the game with the least number of moves possible. So anyways, that's basically how you do it. So basically, how to tell how many moves is perfect? What you want to do is multiply 2 to that power, or like the exponent. So 2 and how many rings there are, then have that by 2, and then from the final result, subtract 1. So basically, 2 to the first power, I think, is 2, right? Pretty sure. And then you minus 1. So, boom, 1 move. So, same thing with the next one. So, we'll go down to 2 rings. And it'll be 3 moves. Just like that. There we go. So, 2 to the second power is 4. Minus 1 equals 3. So, there we go. That's perfect. So, oops. The phone is ringing. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, yeah. So, for 3 rings, it will be 7. 2 to the third power is 8. Minus 1 equals 7. So, this is 7 moves. And it's pretty simple. But, okay, so the thing is, now, you don't really need to, shoot. No, I did not mean to press that, my bad. So you don't actually need to memorize each one. There's a little bit of a hint that I'm going to give you. So we can see the maximum, the highest number right now is 4. So we put the 1 on the middle rod thing. So it is important how you start off. So if this last number is even, the 1 goes on B. If it's odd, the 1 goes on C. So you see that I have done that earlier here. So. And then we'll start this. So basically, there we go. We just did the 1, and we just basically did the 2 one. Then we stacked the 3 and put it here. Then move the 4 across. And then we always put the 1, and it always goes on an even number. 2's always goes on odd numbers. Every single time. And anyone can go on the bottom of 1. But 1's always go on even numbers. 2 always goes in odd numbers. So basically, odd numbers always go in even numbers always go in odd numbers. So that helps a ton. And that's basically how I can really do it. I can do it relatively fast. So I'll go pretty fast with this one. Sometimes when you go too fast, it doesn't register the click. So I don't want to go too fast. But you can see kind of what I'm doing here and how this works. There you go. So that you can kind of see exactly how this really works. So anyways, so yeah, that's basically it. Basically some tips and tricks on this. So just remember, basically, if you know how to do like the first 5, you should be fine for the rest. And you know that only odd numbers can only go in even numbers. So if you're deciding, say there's like a 7 and the 8 one, and you have to put the 1 somewhere. You want to put the 1 on the 8. Every time. Now, and don't worry, there won't be any case where there's a 1, like 1 top, and then you have to decide if you want to put it on a 6 or an 8. That will never happen. Unless you're doing it wrong. But you should never have to somehow put it on. Because if there's a 6, actually wait a second. Yeah, there shouldn't be. No, I've never come across that. If you have come across it, I think you messed up. So just remember, So that's 5 there. As you can see, that's 5. So 2 to the 5th power. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. 32 minus 1 is 31, and boom. Perfect. So, okay. So yeah, basically, so we'll go all the way up to 10 rings, and 10 rings has 1,023 moves. So that's, yeah, that'd be fun. So we'll move on to 6, which has 63 moves. I keep pressing home, I don't know why. So you go to 6. And remember, 1 always goes on B there. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna go too fast. As fast as I did last time. I don't want anything to mess up here. See, there you go. See. You can actually look, it is kind of amazing. I don't understand. But every single time, odd numbers go in even numbers go in odd numbers. Every single time. That's basically all you have to do. And that can help you a ton. So there you go. Kind of did the 3 there. Then we're going to do a 4. There you go. Move the 5 on top. And then this, to do. So we just stacked the 3 in the middle. And then break everything apart. And there we go. 63 moves, we're done. So guys, earlier I actually did a live stream of this, but it did not work exactly. So, I think that probably solving from the 10 ring one is probably going to take me somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes to do it. I did this under a minute, this one here. And last time when I was doing it, I was averaging about a move a second. So I did all the math and it's just over 17 minutes. So I'll say maybe I'm going a little bit faster now. I don't know why. So probably somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes, just saying. But we still have to do the 7, the 8, and the 9, and the 10. I'm going to do all of them here. So, okay, 7. So, let's begin. Yeah, I really do not want to mess up. That's my goal for this entire thing. Never mess up. I am a pro. Yeah, I think out of any puzzle, this is probably the one that I'm the best at. I did not actually look at anything. I kind of figured this out on my own. Just after doing it after a while, I was like, oh, that makes sense. And I started to notice that pattern. And there we go. Alright. Oh! Alright guys, if you saw there, so it ended up picking up the 6. I don't know why it did that. I did click the 5. I was going to put that on the 6. But it didn't register me clicking on the 5. So now I have the 6 here. And when I put it back down, you can see that it did add another move. So I guess I will have to restart then. I didn't make it too far though. That should be alright. That stinks. There's not really better sites. I don't really think there's a better site than this one, so that sometimes happens. That's alright though. Oh wait a second, what am I doing? There we go. Okay. Stop with that. All good. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of clicking, so I hope it's not going to the mic. I really hope that. Oh no. Yeah, I clicked there, but it didn't go through. It's weird. It's a little bit weird. So yeah, I'm not going too fast at the moment, just so I can make sure that all my clicks go in. So yeah, it's probably gonna take me probably around 18 minutes to do the 1023 one. The 10 ring. Yes, there you go. So we're halfway. We're doing it right because we have 63 moves, and we basically just stacked the 6th one, but we did it on B instead of C. Alright. Keep on going, keep on going. Keep on just going. So I guess technically, if you're trying to solve this thing, you could just watch this video. This is technically a walkthrough of how to solve it. So I mean, I guess you could just potentially just go watch this. I'm sorry, there's a repetitive noise that keeps happening. I'm gonna shut it off. It's probably pretty annoying. I'm sorry. It might go through the mic a little bit. Alright, whoop. Oh, you kidding? I clicked the 1. Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. You've gotta be kidding me. Okay, as you can see, I was extremely close to doing this. And it decides to do that to me. So obviously, that one thing. So, yeah, 2 squared by 7. I mean, what? No, my bad. 2 to the power of 7 equals 128. Minus 1 would be 127, but with that move, that happened. Why? This is bad. Not good. Alright, we'll do this again. So you can obviously see that was close. Extremely close. But, yeah. That happens. And it might happen a lot. And that would be very bad if that happened on the 10 ring. This is just 7 ring. The thing is, the difficulty, like, multiplies by 2 every time. Alright. So I gotta say, by the time didn't click. That was weird. So by the time that I get this all 6 stacked in the middle, I guess. Not really stacked, but by that point I'll show you when. So almost here. So when I get all 6 of these rings in the middle, that is basically the halfway point. So there, that's the halfway point right there. And then resume my struggle to defeat this. So I think in real life I could do this pretty easily. I don't know. I'm wondering, wasn't there some kind of like not ancient, I don't know, some kind of riddle thing where someone had to do Tower of Hanoi at like 63 rings? And they had to somehow solve it before the end of their life. And if they do, then they get to escape prison or something? Something along those lines. Yeah, I think I could do it. It would take a very long time. Extremely long. But you never know. I could do it. I could probably do it. Alright, we're almost done. So I'm going to go kind of slow now, so nothing messes up. So close. There we go. So just over and move a second. So anyways, there we go. That's perfect. Now I go on to 8. Of course, it's an even, so we put the 1 in the B. And there we go. And I resume my journey to complete everything. To complete this tower of Hanoians. That was a bad pun. I was trying to say annoyance, but Hanoi. Got it? Nah, no, I know. Don't judge me. Alright, so we got the 5 in the middle, 6 over here. So basically, it's kind of just continually alternating. Like, I don't know. I don't know what I was gonna say there. That was poorly worded. There you go. Alright. Yeah, so there we go. Like, that's like a quarter of the way there. So yeah, if you just watch like 1 ring, maybe like the 1 or 2 or 3 ring, you'll see that they only go to the like the other odd or even number, depending on which one. Whew. It's gonna take me a long time. Alright, so this one should have 255 moves. Pretty sure. Right, almost halfway done. There we go. Right. Now we're halfway done. We have the final countdown. And my arm is hurting. Ouch. It's like cramping up. I don't know. Gosh, okay. Ouch. Still cramping up. Not good. It's a long struggle of moving these rings. There we go. Whew. Let me just stretch out my arms a little bit. Okay. There we go. Oh boy, I'm thinking that we wouldn't even be. We wouldn't even be halfway done if we did this. Okay. Oh yeah, we wouldn't even be. We were like yeah, yeah, for the 10, we wouldn't even be a quarter of the way. We'd be just about 1/5 of the way done. No, actually just under. And yeah, right about here, we'd be 1/5 of the way there to completing the 10 ring. So I think the 63 ring one would take a pretty dang long time. Just a little. Actually, out of curiosity, right after this, I'm gonna see how many moves that would take. Oh, I don't know if comment down below if you ever heard that riddle thing. I think I don't know. I don't know anymore. I really don't. Oh, almost done. So I'm pretty sure I'm on the right track. Yes, I am on the right track. I have not messed up yet. So it's not messed up again. Because basically it's just a 5 ring. At this point, I can almost move. There you go. Now just do a 4 ring. A 3 ring. 2 ring. And 1 ring. We did it perfectly. Yay, I did it. I'm so cool. Alright, so I'm going to do, first, before we start off with the 9, so let's see, so 2, is it like an exponent thing? Yeah. 263. Let's see. That's a lot. It's a lot of moves. I don't even know what that E plus thing means. What does that even mean? I think it's a lot. So 2 times 2. Actually, let's just do 64 times 64 times 64 times 64 times 64. So that'll be 12, 18. I think every 64 would be. Would this even work this way? I think so. Yeah. That's a lot. Answer is that. Yeah, I think that's exactly it. That's still kind of a lot. Just a lot. trying to see. Put all the commas everywhere. So billions, trillions. So it would be 9. It would be over 9 quintillion. Yeah. Right. Somewhere around there. That's like 9 quintillion moves. That's... I actually don't know. Wait, 64. I'll be... I don't know. It's just too much. It's too much to count. Let's go with the answer. Over 20 digits of numbers. That's a lot. Okay. I could probably do it, but it would probably take me just insanely long, and it would just not be any fun. And I would not waste my life doing that. Maybe just do like a few moves a day or something for the rest of my life. Would there be no point in it? What would I get? I would win absolutely nothing. Maybe get a world record, but what's the point of that? Huh. Okay. So, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are all having a good day. I know, it's Saturday today when I'm making this video. So hope you guys are having a good Saturday if you're watching it today, or just a good whatever. But yeah, it's okay. It's been alright Saturday so far. What am I doing here? Shoot, lost track. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Okay, pretty sure. Yeah, this is so many moves that I actually lose track of what you're doing at the moment. Shoot, no, I messed up. I think I'm going backwards now. Actually, wait, did I mess up? I was just here, right? Yeah, okay, I did mess up, my bad. Sorry about that. Wasn't too far in, though. Oh, yeah, by the way, this one is 511 moves. That's a lot of fun. Oh, yeah, I did mess up. I went backwards. Yeah, even we all make mistakes. Because this is insane. Who came up with this puzzle? Like, why? Why'd you do this? That's the thing. Someone had to come up with this puzzle and solve it by themselves. And think how many... And they wouldn't know if that was the least possible... the least possible solutions. You never know. Alright. So I think I know what I did wrong. The last time. Just lost track. It's just gonna be tiring. As you can imagine. So this is where I was. Wish I was supposed to put the 5 there. Yep. Yeah, this is definitely it. I didn't think I needed to put the 5 over there, but yep. Odds on evens. Alright. Oh boy, this is tiring. You mess up one move, then it's all over. So sad. So I'm sorry if I'm not talking too much. Not much to talk about when you're just doing this for a very long time. And I'll feel accomplished. So once I get halfway, I'll just take a break, rest my arm, and then zoom on with the struggles I have. I'll not actually like take a break and like leave, just like let my arm rest for like a minute or so. I don't want to misclick. Is that even it? Is that even a word? Maybe. I don't know anymore. No one knows anymore. Shoot, I thought I messed up. I was so nervous. Okay, I'm fine. We're fine. Oh, we're just about halfway. Whew. Got the 8 in the middle. Oh, gosh. It's not easy. Oh, it's good. Take some water. Drink some water. Whew. That changes, I could say. Let's see. Let's just say solving rings 1 to 10. Does that make any? That probably makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. Alright, so thank you to the second viewer who came in to this live stream. Thank you very much. I think it counts me as a viewer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure from when I started. I'm just gonna say hi because they came. Oh, cat walks on. Yeah, like this. I wanna see the inception of this. Just because. Look at them. Alright, well, guys, OBS Studio. Oh, we're doing good so far. Yeah. So what was it? I got a comment. So thank you. Oh, don't know if you can see that. Thank you very much. ZX app, the boss. Zap. Thank you. Hi. Hello. I said hello. Did see it. So I like the comment. Yeah. Cool. Anyways, so that's stuff happening here. Let's resume. Resume where I left off. So, yeah, it took a while. Alright. Right back into a beautiful round of Tower of Hanoi. So, if you guys didn't know, I did a Tower of Hanoi video a pretty dang long time ago. Not terribly long. Probably just, I think last year, but probably almost in this year. It was definitely in the winter, or the fall, almost winter. There's definitely snow. There's probably definitely snow on the ground. I don't remember exactly everything though. But yeah. Alright. Hopefully I don't mess up. I'm feeling pretty confident myself. I don't think I will mess up too much. Did it hesitate right there? Yeah, that's definitely the right move there. Whew. Oh boy. There we go. We're getting closer now. Just putting on the final rings on the final rod. On the second to final thing. But it's gonna be, I'm gonna be very happy. I think I've completed the 10 ring once, but I just really didn't have the patience. I've never done a full 1 through 10 run, and I guess I'm probably gonna do this again. Not now, but just when I'm bored someday, and see if I can get it perfect. Do it perfectly, and not mess up. And actually do it pretty quickly too. See if we can go for speed as well. Of course, this is kind of also a learning video, but I mean, I don't know. What else? It's not. This is kind of pretty simple. It's a pretty simple thing. It's only a few rules, but it definitely has some tricks, as I've said, of course, before. So what they are. Odds always an evens, evens always an odds, and that's basically, if you know that one rule thing, then basically you could solve any of them, because it's just basically that over and over again, over and over again. I mean, I think it's just making the decision on where to first put that one, and then everything kind of just goes in place. No. Right. Almost done, of course. We're at 480, and I only need to do 511 moves. Oof. Found one. There we go. 511. Whew. Okay, there we go. My gosh. There you go. My gosh, I am. There we go. I did, though. That's what counts. Victory is mine. Also, sorry about the ads on the side. I can't do anything about that. But, I did it. That's what counts. Now going all the way up. The maximum. I can't even click that anymore. I cannot. We are going to do this 1,023 moves. Hopefully this won't take too long. How long does it take me so far to do this? Like, 30, just over 30 minutes. Okay. So hopefully I'll finish this before an hour. That'll be my goal. If I fail, hopefully I won't. And here we go. We begin the very long journey of death and despair and sadness. And 1,023 moves. Okay, that was weird. Do you see that, guys? Okay, let's watch that again. See, I tried picking up the 4. And, it didn't. So that happened. Alright, let me restart again. Okay, so let's begin again. So that was dumb. The 4 glitched on my screen. I didn't glitch on the live stream, though. That was weird. I picked it up and then, like, went back in place, and I didn't even let go. I don't know. Something fishy's going on. If you know what I mean. Alright. Boy, oh boy. The thing about this is that then you can get so good at the earlier ones because you basically just do the same ones over and over again. I know I'm saying the same thing over and over again, but there's really not much else to say, and I know I've said that a lot too. So I'm not helping anything, and this isn't helping anything. I accidentally clicked on A, so it would have grabbed a 3, but I kept holding it off the screen, so I was okay. Okay, we are okay. So there's a 6 right there. Oh boy, and that was hard. Okay. I'm nervous. I don't know. I mean, I don't really know why. This is just like pretty dang simple, but I am somewhat nervous. I don't want failure. I keep thinking I messed up, but I didn't. I'm not messing up. Not today. I don't want to mess up, so boom. Oh, didn't click it. That was weird. Okay. Oh, there we go. So now we placed the 8 down. If you know what I mean, like, so you kind of have to remove all of them, all the things off, and then put it in a single row. So basically, you've put the 1 there, you put the 2 stack there, 3 stack, 4 stack, 5 stack, 6 stack, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So that's why you have to put the 1 on the B. Then this could be the 10th stack there. That makes any sense. And of course, I just went backwards. I'm not okay. I need to concentrate a lot here. So I shouldn't have just started talking there, but I'm just going to concentrate. If I don't talk like at all, I'm sorry, but this is what has to be done. Okay, just a note. I was just thinking about it. When you put the 1 in the B or the C column, that's only for when it's even or odd, like the maximum number of rings. That only is the case for the first move. Just so you know. Okay, I was thinking about that. Thought that might be a little bit confusing, so I'll stop. I know what I had to do next, so stop there and resume. Oh, what the heck? I clicked the 6. Okay. You calm down. I clicked the 6 though. That's bad. It's not cool. I can do this. I can do this. Let's go. Okay, how? There we are. So we're 192 moves in now. It's actually going pretty fast. Over a move a second. So I get some time. Then when it gets to 192, I'll start up again. Okay, well, I'll start now. This is great. So much fun. Okay, whew. So I'm doing good so far. 255 moves, and that's 8 rings, so I'm good. So take some more water. I don't care. Time's 2:58 now, so just over 4 minutes so far in. Oh boy. Okay. Just stretch a little bit. And let's go right back in. Ugh. And grab it there, good thing. I didn't click and messed that up. Didn't get that again. I thought I messed up. So nervous there. But there you go, guys. We're halfway. So I did the 9 and 511 moves. Perfect. Only 512 more moves to go. Man, oh man. My arm is just like, bruh, stop this. So, yeah. It's taken me almost 10 minutes to get to this part. So I'm going to stretch a little bit. Yeah, it's 9.5 minutes right there. Okay. Let's start up again. Resume. Resume. There's so many places where I thought I messed up. When you get this many, you have to do this many moves. It's terrible when you mess up. Absolutely terrible. Hey guys, actually no. I'll talk about that right now. Oh yes. So right now, so I paused it here so I know what I'm doing next. But guys, I was actually looking back. I was doing a test, so I created like a fake account. Don't worry, I deleted it after. Don't worry. I tested out, so I subscribed to myself to see if a live stream alert thing came up, subscriber alert thing came up, and it did. So that's good. So that works. So, but what was I going with this? That's right. So yeah, when I was searching my name, I kind of got caught up and I was looking down at some of my videos, and I didn't realize that some of my Geometry Dash videos actually got a good amount of views. Like, I know one almost got 500, another 150 almost. And yeah, it was another one, I think, just around 300. So I mean, guys, leave it. So if you guys actually want me to continue on with Geometry Dash, I know I stopped it. I got like, it's on the 500 view one. I did get like 12 likes and 5 dislikes. That's not good. But so yeah, tell me guys, do you want me to resume? Because a lot of people actually ended up viewing it. So tell me. But first things first, we gotta finish this. Wait, what? Oh no, I messed up. Oh, I see what I was supposed to do. Oh, I was not supposed to grab the 6. Shoot. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I was not supposed to grab the 6. I was supposed to go down. You gotta be kidding me. Oh man, so I did mess up. So I think I'm just done. I'm not gonna try again. I'll just finish this off and say I got pretty close. But yeah, I'll try this again if you guys want me to. But gosh, did mess up, unfortunately. So I guess I'll go faster now. See if I can get this done. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy and learned something from this video. If you did, leave a like. And also tell me if you want Geometry Dash back. Yeah, so I'm sad that I ended up messing up, but no, it's alright. It got pretty close, and that's okay. That happened. Alright, well, I'm gonna leave it right here. So, yes, once again, thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to do this again, I already said everything pretty much, so, I have to see you guys later. Goodbye.